When you're starting out in law, you hear a lot of new terminology that you're unsure about what it means or how it applies to you. I felt this way when I first heard the words barrister and solicitor. Well, what do these words mean? A barrister and a solicitor are a type of lawyer with different roles and responsibilities. Barristers, also known as litigation lawyers, primarily focus on representing clients in court, arbitration, and mediation. Barristers advocate for their clients during trials and hearings. They are required to present legal arguments, cross-examine witnesses, and handle complex legal procedures. Some responsibilities of barristers include legal research, providing legal advice to clients, arguing in court, participating in settlement negotiations, drafting pleadings, and attending examinations for discovery. Solicitors, on the other hand, primarily provide legal services outside the courtroom. They handle various non-litigious matters such as drafting legal documents, providing legal advice, negotiating contracts, and assisting with legal transactions. Solicitors normally have expert knowledge in one specific area, and their clients could include an individual in need of legal counseling. For example, a solicitor can be an employment lawyer reviewing an employment contract for an employee, or a real estate lawyer reviewing an agreement of purchase and sale. This helps me tell the difference between the two. A solicitor helps clients in making deals and in avoiding or preventing problems, whereas a litigator usually is involved when a problem has arisen, especially when litigation is likely to occur or is already underway. You may see lawyers refer to themselves by only one term. This could be because they practice in an area of law that does not require going to court often, like the signing of wills. So they choose to refer to themselves as solicitors. Others who focus mainly on work inside the courtroom could choose to call themselves by the term barrister alone, or more commonly refer to themselves as litigators. The difference between barristers and solicitors is more important in the United Kingdom because practicing lawyers are divided by the type of training and the work that they do. This is because barristers and solicitors undergo different training in the UK. In the United Kingdom, barristers are the ones wearing wigs and robes in court. In Canada, all lawyers are licensed to be both barristers and solicitors. When you get called to the bar in Ontario, you receive the degree of Barrister at Law, then you're sworn in and admitted as solicitors for the Court of Appeal of Ontario and the Superior Court of Justice. This gives you flexibility to practice both as barristers and solicitors, allowing you to provide a wider array of legal services to your clients. By having lawyers who can provide both functions, clients benefit from a one-stop legal solution. They can rely on a single lawyer for various legal needs, such as drafting legal documents, courtroom representation, and negotiating contracts. In larger law firms, the difference between the solicitor and barrister is more noticeable. The advantage of having many lawyers in a larger law firm allows the individual lawyers to specialize in either being a barrister or a solicitor, while the firm overall can still offer its clients a full range of legal services. On the other hand, many smaller firms and solo practitioners have a more generalized practice, and this often means lawyers will take on both solicitor and barrister type work. Depending on your personality and preferences, you may prefer solicitor over barrister type work, vice versa, or both. The good thing in Canada is that you don't have to claim to be either one or the other, as they both fall under the general classification of lawyer. Depending on the work environment you are in, you may gain exposure to both barrister and solicitor type work. If you want this experience in either one, I encourage you to ask for it. What other law lingo confuses you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.